Hey everyone, welcome to my next live from the workshop, and in this one I'm not doing a Dalek, I'm going to do a proper figure. And I'm going to make the Doctor from Series 6B. This is the closing time variant with the cowboy Stetson and the long green coat. So for the coat I'm using a 6th Doctor coat, obviously 11th Doctor figure, and then I've got the Doctor with 11th Doctor with the Stetson hat. So let's get on with this. And there is my 11th Doctor with Stetson from Closing Time finished. Yeah, again, it's got a little bit of rough edges, needs to do a little bit of a tidy up here and there. But overall, it's got a bit of glue stuck to the front of it. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Now this one, along with this 11th Doctor in the spacesuit, these are both going up on eBay. There's a link in the description below to this guy, and you can also find this guy on my other items for sale, unless somebody's already bought it, which I hope they have. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, favourite, subscribe, share, it really helps me out a lot, and I shall see you all with another video very soon.